We're on Barnett Street in Montego Bay. It's a weekend, it's a Sunday. And we're heading to one of the most unlikely places to go get some chicken, some fried chicken. Trust me, you need to see this journey. We're going into a place called Glendevon. Yeah man, a new place open up there. So we're gonna check it out. So this is Barnett Street, this is Montego Bay. Good afternoon, Jamaica. Let's go. Colonel Avenue is on the right. Pop Lawrence Road is on the left here. It's Sunday, not much traffic is on the road. See an ambulance here. A lot of businesses are closed. Danny's on the left there is closed. All the furniture shops here is closed. So we're gonna make a right turn here, right here. We're gonna make the right turn. This is what, Barracks Road. Alright, let's go. When last have you traveled through these parts of Jamaica? Let me know in the comment section. Good day to drive out, not much traffic, stop sign right here. So we stop and look and then we proceed. Anybody here watching this video used to attend Barracks Road, Colonel Infant School, Montego Bay Infant, all of these areas? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know who's watching the video. Oh, that building there on the left is burnt. Wow. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force Transport Management and Maintenance Division Era 1 Garage is right here. Barracks Road Primary School is behind me. Alright. Alright, me see mangoes and tree. Mangoes take time coming back in. Probably later this year we'll get some mangoes. Alright, so let's go now on to Humber Avenue. Let's wait our turn for the traffic. Yeah, this is Humber Avenue. We're going up Mount Salem. We're going on, what that, Vernon's Drive. One of those streets that will carry us back into Glendevon. We'll see. So we're still on Humber Avenue. This is 17 Humber Avenue. Natural Mystic Plaza is on the left. St. James High School is on the left as well. Persons have been asking me about Jarrett Park. What is happening at Jarrett Park? Oh, so they paint the steps in black, green and gold. I'm yet to go over onto the park. One of these days we're going over there, but Jarrett Park is on the right. Yeah man, so in Glendevon there's that new place, new plaza, right behind the gas station there. Yeah man, I hope the establishment is open. Balfour Guest House is right here on Salem Hill. So we're going to pass through a section of Rosemount. We're going to end up at the chemical factory. Yeah, man, right there on the South Spring Main Road. Not the factory, but the, what they call it, Island Products, the chemical distribution company. Alright, so Cornwall Original. By the way, what's happening to Cornwall Original? Cornwall Original is still coming on stream. The police station is right here on the left. Next time I'm passing through here, we're going over Cornwall Original Hospital. Hospital is under construction still. They have painted it and everything, you know. But still under construction after So many years of renovations. Years of renovations. Time it take to renovate, you could have built 2 brand new hospitals. Yes. If you don't believe me, ask the Chinese. Alright, so the soldier post is right here. We're in Mount Salem. Mount Salem, Moby. Oh, they're building something on the right. Meat shop is closed here on the left. Gas station is right over here on the right. Okay, so Austin Avenue we're going to take. This is Austin Avenue. Probably should have gotten some gas. I'm going to chance it. By the way, guys, do remember to send your super gifts. Yes, you can send the super gifts to your favorite YouTuber. As we take on the roads, your gifts will help us to get some fuel, get some gas as we travel Jamaica. Way over in the hills there, see those houses on the hill? That's Rose Heights. Look at the hillside, man. The trees dropped down from last year, so the whole place open up. Alright, so this is Vernon's Drive we're on. Vernon's Drive. When we're passing through here, we always drive on the right here. But we take Austin Avenue this time. Jehovah's Witness in Jehovah's Witness is on the left. What's happening with these guys, man? Sure. Take time on the road, guys. They did some road work at the top of the road. You'll see. Alright, so Rose Heights, you turn right to go to Rose Heights. 41 Boulevard there. Alright, see them clearing land over there on the left. A lovely sea view you have here, so you know. Yeah, man. Look how Jamaica does pretty and colorful and nice. Alright, so right here, if I wanted to go back into the town center, see the sign there, town center, I would turn left, but I'm going to continue straight. It says Iron Shore. So we could drive this route to Iron Shore as well. If you've been following all our vlogs, you will know this area in and out. Turn right again, that can carry to Rose Heights and Farm Heights, but we're going straight. Now we are in Rosemount. This is Rosemount. Alright, so this is the area that they just fixed a couple days ago. Turning off Rose Garden Drive. This road, them fix. Them do some patching work. Let me see how the rest of it look. Nice, nice. So the Rosemount Church here, Missionary Church on the right. Yeah, so where we're heading, it's a nice little, we call it now, a commercial spot emerging in Glendevon. They give the fruit vendors there some nice little shops as well. Nice little green shops. I wonder why they paint them in green. You tell me in the comment section. You'll see the shops right around the next two corners. Alright, so Island Products, I was telling you about the chemical place, is right in front of us. So this is the Salt Spring Main Road. We make the left turn. We're going on a road parallel to this road. So we're going to make the next right turn and you'll see the shops. De La Pena, I believe, has a place over here on the right. Stoplights. Remember when this era went just Mall Road or Bush, and look at it now. Stoplights and signs and everything. Yeah, man. Development is a must. The only thing that's constant and inevitable is change. We get the green light. Have to wait, still wait our turn. Alright. So the fruit vendors here have been relocated from the left, and those green and the yellow shops. So not just green, green and yellow. On the right. So we get the green light, but we still have to wait because we want to make a right turn. So we're on Felicity Road now. Let's go. So this is the Sun Valley, what's your name? Sun Valley Main Road. Right. Right. Jehovah's Witness is on the right. The Jehovah's Witness place. So this area is called Glendevon. So we are now in Glendevon. Alright, so we're going to make the next right turn, so keep your eyes on the right. So this is the little commercial space I'm telling you emerging in this community. See the wall there painted in red? That's where we're going. So they have a Western Union here on the right and a Bill Express on the right. A gas station on the right as well. Alright, let's turn in. Alright, so see the sign there saying Jumbo Chicken. So we're gonna make our way down. Yeah, man, look at this, a beautiful commercial space. Let me get around the roundabout here. Lovely, lovely commercial space. Look how beautiful this is. So the supermarket is on the left. And that's Jumbo Chicken I'm telling you about right there in front of us. See if I can get a parking spot. And we're going right here on our left. See what this chicken place in Glendevon. Who could imagine that something like this could be in this community, man? We love it. Nice fridge with some juice as well. Alright, so this is what we got. We got Jumbo Chicken Alright. So this is almost like the unboxing. Alright. So we got other 2 pieces of chicken. We got 3 pieces of chicken. We got fries and 2 containers of ketchup. And this one is just for $1,050. Give you all of this. Yeah, and a cup of juice as well. $1,050. That's a deal. Alright, so this is jumbo chicken. Let me turn it around so you can see it. Jumbo chicken here in Spring Valley Mall. That's the name of the mall. 7 Sun Valley Road, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yeah, they are also on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. That's the Gloucester Avenue in Montego Bay. Right across from Old Hospital Beach. Right across from Old Hospital Beach. Alright, so this is jumbo chicken here in Spring Valley Mall. Alright, so that was jumbo chicken here in Glendevon in Montego Bay. You're looking straight over there on Rosemount. We're gonna make our exit now. Make our exit. Shopping center right here behind the gas station. Persons are asking about, the security issue. This place is relatively calm right now. Alright, how are we going to make our exit? I haven't driven on Sun Valley Road, so let me continue on this section. I haven't driven here in this part for a very long time. Let's go. The Citizen Security and Justice Center is on the right. Garage right here. If you wanted to go further into Salt Spring, would have made the left turn here. We're going straight. Have you driven through this part of Montego Bay, Sun Valley main road? Now we're going to end up back on the Green Pan main road. There's no sidewalks here, but it needs debushing, man. They need to cut the grass in these parts and take up garbage. Come on, let's get this place all cleaned up. A lot of work needed in this area. It should be, they should have employed the residents to clean up their community, especially like the cutting of grass, etc. Yeah, the parish council should have a program, especially the unemployed. Put them to work. And again, solid waste, NSWMA, National Solid Waste Management. What's the issue? Why are there so many places where garbage are just collecting on the roadside? We can do better. Let's do better, Jamaica. Alright. Beautiful. Alright, so this road that I'm on now can carry you to Cornwall Courts. followed all our vlogs, you'll see us. Just recently we were in Cornwall Courts. So ensure at the end of this video you're checking out all our videos. It just might be in your area or area in Jamaica that you frequent or just love, or you're just first time tuning in. This is the inner parts of Montego Bay, Jamaica. You don't find a lot of tourists, etc. coming to. Only Montegonians or somebody know exactly where they're going would venture through these parts. Capital Lights is on the right. General area is Green Pond though. So we're going up right to the vicinity of the Farm Primary and Junior High School. I think it's just primary school now. Remember Jamaica phasing out the all age and junior high thing, you know. So it's just primary. Back making a lot of noise. Capital, oh, Green Heights is on the left. Green Heights. And the health center, the brand new Green Pond Health Center is right here on the right. This is Golden Heights, Valley Heights, etc. And right here is where you have the Farm Primary and Junior High School. Right here, so on the right. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. Ensure that you're subscribed to the channel as we show you more amazing locations here in Jamaica. We're gone on the road. See you.
Yeah man, welcome to Jamaica. The sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the culture, it running right through. Amazing people with a smile on them face. The lush green hills in this blessed place. Them show the whole world the land where we love. A gift from the heavens high up above. Island Max showcasing Jamaica. Island Max showcasing Jamaica. Jamaica, the sun has